All right, we've been fiddling with a new polymer 80 build. I bought this frame and slide and barrel like 2 years ago, and I finally decided to get the internals and finish this thing. We had a problem in the beginning that the trigger would not reset. It is now resetting, but there is no audible or tactile clue that it has reset anywhere. It just resets magically at some point. So I think the connector is still the issue. That was the original issue I had. The connector was too springy and it wasn't allowing any sort of lockup in the back here. So it wasn't resetting at all. So I think I'm still gonna have to mess with the connector again.